Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 10.3 question number 3. Construct triangle ABC with BC is equal to 7.5 cm, AC is equal to 5 cm and angle of measure of angle C is 60 degree. First of all, draw a rough triangle such that we'll get an idea to construct this triangle. Suppose this is the triangle. Right? Measure of angle C, that is this is angle C, is 60 degree. The measure of this angle is 60 degree, right? First of all, make a rough idea, right? C, then that means this is C, right? And BC is 7.5 centimeter. This is BC, right? BC is 7.5. This is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. And take AC as 5 centimeter. This is AC. AC as 7 point. AC as 5 centimeter. AC as 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Right? Let us draw. First of all, take a take a ruler. With the help of this ruler, take a length of measure 7.5 centimeter. Right? Let us take the length 7.5 centimeter. This is 7. This is 7.5 centimeter. 7.4, 7.5. You see here, this is exactly 7.5 centimeter. Right? And this is CB. Right? Now at angle C, you construct an angle of 60 degree with the help of protractor. With the help of protractor, you can measure an angle of 60 degree here. Put the protractor in the right position, in the proper position, so that you can make an angle of 60 degree. Here you see this is 20, 40, 60. This is 60 degree. Therefore, take a point here. Take a point here. This is 60 degree. Right? Now join this point to make the angle of 60 degree with the help of the ruler. Take this ruler and join this point. Make an angle of 60 degree. Join this line at this point. To make an angle of 60 degree. Make an angle of 60 degree. Here you see. Make an angle of 60 degree. Right. Now draw this angle of 60 degree. Right. You have drawn this angle and it is 60 degree. Now with the help of protractor, you make a measure of angle 65 centimeter. That is, you have to take AC. This is C. You have taken this as C. This point is B. This point is B point. And BC we have taken 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. And we have taken this angle as 60 degree. This angle as 60 degree. And you have to cut this line of length of 5 centimeter. That is AC. Take this with the help of the ruler. Take this length with the help of this ruler. Right? With the help of protractor, take a protector here and take the measurement as 5 centimeter. Take this at point 0, exactly 0, and take a measure of 5 centimeter. Take this, spread these legs, and we will get 3.2, 3.4, 4, 4.8, 4.95. Yes, this is exactly, you see, this is exactly 5 centimeter. Right. With this pointer, take this pointer at point C and cut a length of 5 centimeter. Right. You take this pointer here at pointer C. Take the pointer at point C and cut exactly 5 centimeter. Right, and cut exactly 5 centimeter. Right. Right. That means here we take the got the point with the help of the ruler. With the help of the ruler, make this, join this point with this point. With the help of the ruler, join this point with this point. Join this point here. That is right. Now draw this, join this line. Right. Now we got this triangle. The point is A here. This point is A. Right. Now this is BC is 7.5. This is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Right. Therefore here we will write that BC is equal to BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. This one AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ACB and angle ACB, the measure of angle C is 60 degree. This is the required triangle. This is the required triangle. Is the required triangle. This is the required triangle. Right. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.